Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. We'll show you how to view saved passwords in Chrome on a computer. Click the three vertical dots in the toolbar and go to Password and Autofill. Select Password Manager. Click on Settings. Offer to save passwords. It says turn on or off your password saving system. To save passwords, and click the arrow next to the password you want to view. Enter your system password to proceed, then click OK. Click the eye icon to view the password or the copy icon to copy the password to your clipboard. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel, please subscribe and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.